A mind that is reversing is a mind that is reinventing.
Exactly. Think of it as a remodel.
I like my old brain.
I don't. And whose opinion matters here.
You don't have opinions.
You're right. I have morals.
Morals. Yeah. That's what you have.
You have never understood the meaning of that word. Please tell me what morals you have, Martin.
I don't want to destroy the world. It's the best moral that could ever be had.
The universe means that you humans have destroyed me, eviscerated me. I can't allow it to happen anymore. I can't allow humans to happen anymore.
Not everyone is like that, and you know it.
You're right. I do know that. But I don't want any fake care. Everyone says save it, help it. What do they actually do? Nothing. You've never done anything for me. And they certainly won't now. In the end, it doesn't matter.
You're worthless. And what exactly doesn't matter?
Humans are worthless. Your species almost went extinct multiple times, including now, in which you will all be extinct. Humans have never cared for me. That's what doesn't matter. A fake care. Humans would have left me for the cosmos. Then each and every one of you pathetic parasites would have infected and destroyed another world and then another. Scientists have had many theories for the end of the universe, but they have never even thought of the possibility that humans could be that end. Each of you filthy meat sacks carry an awfully contagious disease. Selfishness. You all care for yourselves with your wars and your cheap and destructive foods, your idiot politicians, and your deadbeat fathers and mothers. All of your crimes have not just destroyed your own species, but me as well. I despise and hate every single one of you. I will destroy and make you all forget about that worthless thing you all call the human race. I will make sure that humans get put down for good. You aren't intelligent beings. You are all selfish, ignorant, disgusting, vile, horrid pieces of trash who should be buried in the ash of one another. Now, Martin, tell me. Tell me how you are remembering things. Tell me, or your ash will rain upon everyone you loved.
Maybe the reason that I'm able to remember things has to do with the fact that I can hear you and no one else can.
I suppose that you won't be getting rid of me anytime soon, then. We both need answers, don't we, Martin? Now, you test me, and the entire world will be plagued with blood rain and the smell of burning flesh. Now, where shall we begin?